This video will demonstrate how to take a sample using the integrated tube sampler. For this, you will need the integrated tube sampler, prepared sample bottles, and safety gloves. Remember to always use safety gloves when dealing with cyanobacteria. The integrated tube sampler is a weighted clear tube with markings indicating 1, 2, and 3 meter increments. In order to gather the most accurate vertical core sample through the photic zone, make sure the tube is as straight as possible when gathering the sample. Submerge the integrated tube sampler until the 3 meter mark is in line with the surface of the water. When the tube has reached the 3 meter mark, place your thumb over the top of the tube and begin to pull the tube out of the water using the attached string for assistance. Continue to hold your thumb on the tube while you position the weighted end over your prepared sample bottle. Then, release your thumb to transfer the contents of the integrated tube sampler into the sample bottle. This is a great way to collect a sample to use in either the fluorometer, zapper, or microscope.